Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple trick that can help you start receiving money directly through TikTok by adding your Cash App link to your TikTok bio. If you've been looking for a way to make it easier for your followers to send you tips, donations, or payments, this is the perfect solution. Let's get started. First, we need to grab your unique Cash App link. Open your Cash App and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Once you're in your profile, look for the share arrow, tap it, then choose Copy Cash Tag Link. This will copy your payment link to your clipboard and we're ready to move on. Next, open the TikTok app and head over to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the Edit Profile button. You'll see a section labeled Bio or Website, depending on your account type. If you already have a link there, go ahead and delete it. Then paste the Cash App link you copied earlier into the field. Once you're done, tap Save in the top right corner to update your profile. And that's it. Your followers can now visit your profile, click your bio link, and send you money directly through Cash App. And I'm making it easier than ever to get support from your audience. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to connect your Cash App to TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips just like this. And if you just added your link, drop a comment below letting me know how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.